nii 1, 2, 3 ja siis varjuga.
Davai.
1, 2, 3.
I've been shot and I've been stabbed, but I've never been so madly in love as I am with you. And I know we just met, but if I had to bet, I'd say you feel the same way too. We were talking.
You were talking so loud I could barely hear the band.
We were drinking.
You were drinking so fast, I'm surprised you could even stand.
And we were dancing.
You were dancing like a crab running over the stinking hot sand.
And I was hoping.
You were dreaming if you thought you were gonna be holding my hand.
Now the highway's back open, and we're leaving at the same time.
So stay in your lane, boy, and I'll stay in mine.
Tallinna Transpordiamet tegi oma tööd ära. Nüüd võtavad kauboid võtavad töö üle.
Palju meetreid?
Viige lihtsalt 100 meetrit sinnapoole. Ja siin pruutpaar hakkab sünnitama põhimõtteliselt. Peaaegu. Põhimõtteliselt pruut hakkab kuskil seal sünnitama. Juhan teeb siis kanderaami, võtab 3 meest, jooksab kanderaamiga sinna, neiu peale ja neiu tagasi ja ongi nagu haiglavärk.
Two young people without a thing say some vows and spread their wings and settle down just what they need, living on love. She don't care about what's in style. She just likes the way he smiles. It takes more than marble and tile, living on love. Living on love, buying on time. Without somebody, nothing ain't worth a dime. Just like an old-fashioned storybook rhyme, living on love. It sounds simple, that's what you're thinking. But love can walk through fire without blinking. It doesn't take much when you get enough, living on love. Try and earn $1. Every time I call my baby to try to get a date, my boss says, no dice, son, you gotta work late. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, 'cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Well, my mom and papa told me, son, you gotta make some money. If you wanna use a car to go riding next Sunday. Well, I didn't go to work, told the boss I was sick. Now you can't use a car 'cause you didn't work a lick. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, 'cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. vacation. I'm gonna take my problem to the United Nations. Well, I called the congressman and he said, quote, I'd like to help you, son, but you're too young to vote. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, 'cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues.
I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
No te peate ainult ühe suuna kinni katma selles mõttes.
Miks ma siin kuradi kolli ees? Ma ei tea, kus nad võtavad.
Suurete kui armsad väiksed kiisu mustade hokkis juustega mehike.
Ja mõnesed matused on.
Kus on Laura? Tule sina viiupoiss.
Ei tea algust.
Siit või?
Kus sa panid, Laura? Seal kuskil. Ma ei tea, mille sa räägid, poiss.
Geipoisid.
Ma olin Joe Coldis, saad sa aru? Suur mees tuli, võtsin kõrist kinni, saad sa aru?
Mis asja ei näinud? Sina läksid oma koos uksest välja. Läksid jah?
Laura! Talle külema! Miks me sealt ei vaadanud?
Sa pead aru võtma. Niimoodi. Nüüd on reiga. Igal pool käime kahekesi ringi, mõlemal on roosad mütsid peas, et noh, et pole palju vaja, et nagu aru saada, mis siin toimub. Normaalne. Ära nunta, kallis. Kõik saab korda. Elame selle talve üle.
Kuule, aga kas järgmised pulmad on teile või?
Varsti on suvi käes.